Hello and welcome to a new lecture. In this lecture we're going to show the first option, how we can create a walkthrough. So walkthrough we use when we want to create a visual simulation of walking through our station or assembly. So we can see the different sides and different parts of our assembly. So this clock is not really appropriate, and it doesn't need really a walkthrough. With simple animation we can see pretty much everything, but we're gonna create some simple walkthrough. And first, to create a walkthrough we have to create a sketch, and this sketch will be path, and through this path will camera go. So let's click on this face, and let's go to sketch. Now let's choose center point arc. Let's go to center and let's create something like this. And now let's go out. And let's go to 3D sketch. And let's choose a line. Something like this. Oh, this is not good. Let's go back. Something like this. This will be okay. Let's leave it like this. This is okay. Now let's choose another line. Okay, we can go with this. This is also okay. Let's create a new 3D sketch and let's choose Spline. And let's start from here and just follow this sketch that we have created. So because we must have one line, we can't use few lines, and these are auxiliary lines that we have created, and this is our path. And now we're gonna hide those sketches, first two, like this. So this is our path. Now let's create a new motion study. Okay, let's go here, light, cameras and scene, right click and add camera. Here first we have to select target point. So this is our focal point. So on the right side we have a camera view, on the left side we have relative position between camera and our assembly. So our focal point will be here. And now let's choose position of the camera. Now let's choose this spline, but not the first point, somewhere here. And now we have a camera on our spline, and we can see now the view of our camera. And now we can here change the volume where our camera on the path is. Change the percentage, actually, not volume, where our camera, and this is how it's gonna look like. Our walkthrough. Here we can change rotation of the camera, something we can put it more straight like this. And here we can play with our angle of our rectangle. now, as you see, with the dimensions and the angle. So if we are satisfied with this, we can click OK. And this is going to be our first position at the beginning. Now we can go and create the end at the 10th second. Let's go to lights. Let's choose our camera now, camera 2, or maybe you have 1, and let's go to properties. Let's go to camera position, and let's go to the end. And this is going to be our end, and let's click OK. And now we have a video, and now if we click from the start and beginning, we see that nothing happens because we are not in the camera view. So now let's right click on it and let's go to camera view and let's click start. And now we see our walkthrough in our assembly. Let's go to our sketch and let's click height. Let's see again how it's going to look like. Oh, this is not good. We have to go to camera view. Let's start. And this is our walkthrough, simple walkthrough that we can make in our assembly. As I said, the clock is not kind of appropriate example, but you got an idea how to create the walkthrough. And now, if we want to save our video, first we have to go to orientation, right click, and disable playback of view keys. Right click, and now we have to save. Let's just save it and Intel codec and OK. And now do you want to recalculate? Yes. So let's see our video. Now if you want to make more smooth video, you just have to increase frames per second. And this is the end of this lecture.